Assalamu alaikum everybody. If you want to learn the most authentic mac and cheese, then stick here for 3 minutes. Start off by adding 1 tablespoon of crushed ginger garlic in a little bit of oil. Then add 1 medium and chopped onion. Saute it well till it becomes translucent. Then blend 2 tomatoes with a little bit of water and add that. If not, you can also use store-bought tomato paste and add 4 tablespoons of that. Saute it well till it changes color. Then add the spices, 1 teaspoon each of red chillies, black pepper, mixed herbs and salt. And then half teaspoons of crushed red chillies. And also you can add salt according to your own taste. Then you will add half cup of boiled pasta water that you will save while straining your pasta. Mix well and let it simmer. Then add 2 cups of milk. Mix well and then add 1 full pack of cream, that is 200 ml. Mix well till you get rid of the lumps. Now add 1 chicken cube. Mix till it becomes smooth like this. Make sure not to dry it, it should be slightly runny. Then add 1 full pack of boiled pasta, that is 400 grams. To boil pasta in a pot, take water, 1 teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon of oil. When it starts boiling, add your pasta. Let it cook for approximately 5 to 7 minutes. And then strain it. And don't forget to save half cup of pasta water for adding it later in your mac and cheese. So coming back, I have added 1/4 cup of cheddar cheese and half cup of mozzarella cheese. You can also increase the quantity of both the cheese as per your taste. Then add 1-inch block of butter and mix well. It'll give a very nice texture to your mac and cheese. You can cover it up and let it simmer on low heat for 3 to 4 minutes. And this is how it is going to look. Try out this recipe and trust me, this is going to be one of the most yummiest mac and cheese you'll ever have. And you will simply say Kamal.